Hi, want to know how to enable or disable sleep mode on your Samsung Galaxy A14? So, as a first step, we would need to swipe down 2 times to open the control panel, and here we can see this button which is named Modes. By clicking on it here, we can see the sleep mode, which is the only one here, and by clicking on it, after this animation on your phone will be enabled sleep mode, which is automatically enabling do not disturb, so you won't get disturbed while sleeping. And to disable this mode, we would need to go back to our control center and here click on the sleep mode button. Also, if you would like to make some changes to the sleep mode, for example, you would like to let some people call you even when you are sleeping, for that we would need to open settings on our phone and then find a tab which is named modes. And here is it, modes and routines. Here, go to the sleep mode, and here, as you can see, we got a lot of settings to customize. This is it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.